Hello there. Today I've decided to use one of my long, thin canvases, which I've already pre-coated and has dry black paint over it to cover a photograph that was on the canvas, a promotional one. So anyway, I have decided to do some ring pour type things. You'll get to see what it is, using my container with paint in it, full of paint that I love so much, and the colours I'm using are purple, ultramarine blue, viridian green, yellow deep, scarlet and a little bit of black. And I'm just going to pour them into place across the canvas, and when I've finished pouring I'm going to put white in between the pours and then tilt it and then do chain pulls through it. So now I've told you what I'm planning on doing, I will give it a go. that is done. I haven't done nearly as much chain work as I intended to because I just put so much paint on the canvas. This is the first time for weeks that I have used this much paint, so I will be saving those leftover drippings in a container to use as a base on another canvas. But I'm really happy with that. It's just, the colours are beautiful. I've got the purple and the green and the blue and the yellow and hints of the red, a little black in between all that, and of course the white. So I wasn't going to use the chain initially. I thought I'd leave it as it was, but my whole time in my art room at the moment is spent practicing with chains, and so I decided to go through with what I wanted to do. And I'm particularly happy with that piece there. The others, not quite so much, but I will now bring it up to the light to give you a better look at it. As you can see, doing the different styles of pull have brought the different types of patterns out, and of course a lot of it also has to do with the way that I actually do the tilting. And I want you to see that white piece that I love so much because it's got that beautiful green depth in it, which I think enhances it. So that is my canvas. I'm sorry, I don't know if I got that all into the frame, but it's quite heavy and it's long. So that's it for me for my painting today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.